Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch baseball live streams on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type MLB and download the official app. Once the app is installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now open the app and log into your account, or create a new one if you don't have one. After logging in, you'll be able to explore the available content. To watch live games, you may need an active subscription, so choose a plan if required. Once that's done, you can start watching live baseball games directly on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can easily watch baseball live streams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.